In this video, we'll look at direct and inverse proportion graphs. Now, to do this, our previous knowledge would be to understand what direct and inverse proportion was. Okay, so let's look at this first of all. The car travels 40 kilometers on 2 liters of petrol. Use this information to draw a graph. Now, if we just write some units here, 40 kilometers is equal to 2 liters. So 20 kilometers would be 1 liter. And if you had 0 liters, you would not drive. Now this is direct proportion. And it is because whatever you do on that side, if you do it on this side, it will this. So now I need to draw this. So 40 kilometers. If I do here a little table, I'm going to bring this up kilometers. Then I'm going to give this up liters. So when I have 40 gives me 2. And 80 will give me 4. 20 will give me 1, and 0 will give me 0. So I'm going to plot this. Now again, it's up to me completely where I plot this, but let's put 80. Let's count up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's put 80 here. So 40 would be here. 20 would be here. Let's just go up in ones there. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So plus this would look 20 kilometers is 1 liter. 40 is 2. We'll stretch this out a bit more, maybe. 80 is 4. And that graph will look like this. Okay, so it's a straight line going in that direction, starting from 0, starting from here, which is 0, 0. So direct proportion looks like a straight line. Okay, let's look at this next graph. It takes 8 people 4 hours to do a job. Use this information to draw a graph. Now this is inverse proportion. So if I had more people, take less time. If I had 32 people, take 1 hour. Now if I had less people, if I had 4 people, that would be divided by 2. But here I would multiply it by 2. I would take 8 hours. 2 people would take 16 hours. And 1 person would take 32 hours, assuming they all work at the same rate. I want to plot this. I want to do 32 people in 32 hours. So let's see what many of the got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 13, 14, 15, 16. I want to go all the way across. I'm going to call that 6. I want to call that 32, and there's 16 boxes. That's quite nice. So 32 hours, 0 hours, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 again. So we call that 32. And here we're talking about people. So let's go halfway. You sure that's halfway? And 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that's 16 hours. Halfway again is 8 hours. And I have 4 hours. Not enough I need. This is exactly the same scale. So there's 4 people, 8 people. Going up to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 people, 16 people, and 32 people. Let's look and see what this graph looks like if I plot it. 8 people, 4 hours. 8 people, 4 hours. 16 people, 2 hours. 16 people, 2 hours. 32 people, 1 hour. 4 people, 8 hours. 2 people, 16 hours. 1 person, 32 hours. And that graph will look fine. George Freehand was better than that, trying to get through the points at least. That's not the best graph. But there is my inverse proportion graph. So see, direct proportion graph is a straight line starting from 0, 0. The inverse proportion graph is a curve in this direction. And I would never reach the x-axis or the y-axis. If you imagine this was a job, the job could never be done in the 0 time, no matter how many people you have. Okay, have a go. Here's some questions. Press pause, and the answers will follow in 1 moment. There are your answers.